So I got tired of cleaning my gutters, and I saw somebody selling flip gutters on the internet, but they're very elusive as a cost. You can't just buy them and put them on yourself. You have to have a contractor do it, which is bullcrap. So I decided to design my own. So this is what I came up with. It's an end cap off a piece of gutter. MIG welded a piece of aluminum hinge on as the pivot point here. So when this thing flips, this edge lifts up and away from the shingles to dump the gutter. This will be screwed into the soffit, and then I'm going to use watertight rivets to rivet the gutter in place there. So I have 5 of them fabricated. I'm going to probably fabricate 10 or 15, mount them on new gutters and mount the gutters on the house.